Today is Friday, and we thought of something very, very clever.
You know what would really suck?
What?
Living in your dad's shadow.
It would.
For example, Austin Rivers.
Yeah.
Imagine if you're Stephen Curry and you're out exceeding him. No offense, Dell.
No, but you know, as
Yeah.
a father,
But
you'd
you'd be
like
super
happy.
proud.
Yeah, you're happy.
You'd be super proud. But I mean, I'm not trying to call Dell bad.
Oh, not at all.
Because he's an NBA, I'm not.
Right.
So, I'm 5'6".
But what we're gonna do today is we're gonna do ringers vs ballers, you know what I'm saying, blacktop version, and we're gonna do the players now
versus their fathers. Son versus father b-ball.
How crazy is that?
And no one's gonna take it easy, so
Yeah, it's the battle.
maybe Tim Hardaway Jr. will dunk all over his father, or Austin Rivers
find
will
out.
dunk on his father. Yep. All right, who do you want to be?
I'll take the fathers.
Does that mean yeah, I'm the ballers. God.
All right.
I guess
So
the
K-
elders get the ball first.
Yeah, right. K is the young kids, and Dre's the old guys.
Why can't I be on my father? I'm gonna strap up my father.
No, boy, let's go. Ooh.
Oh! No, boy!
Oh my. Okay, Doc Rivers can't shoot.
Oh God.
Seems like.
Alright, time to teach these old people how to ball. Time to teach these old people how to ball. Okay, maybe not.
Strap, boy.
No, boy. Oh!
Thank you. Let's go.
Oh, okay. You know what? Let's go, Dad.
Yeah, right?
Come on, Dad. Let's go. See me in the streets.
Oh, God.
No, boy. Let's go.
Saw how to shoot Curry. Oh, never mind, I lied.
What do you say, Dad? I'll show you how to shoot. Psych. That's how it's done, Dad.
Space.
Oh, boy,
Oh,
there's no
God.
space.
The old men right now are just struggling.
Right? Ooh. Ooh. No, Dad. Ooh. Ah. Oh, God, Dell. Oh, crap.
There you go,
No
Cash. Oh, my gosh.
Let's go.
Let's go. Dang, the strength. These young guys.
Right? We're eating, like, we got that.
Oh!
Oh my God. Advancement of science
Oh
and,
my
and
gosh.
training.
And we jump out of bounds.
Oh God, is that my dad? Or his dad?
Is that my dad?
Oh! Dang, okay. Okay, Pops. Okay, Pops, see me. Oh God. Ah!
Oh!
Oh, go, go, go. I don't even know how to... That's only getting oop. Psych! Bow bow! Rise. Ah!
Layup lines.
Come on here, boy. Let's go!
Oh, no.
Range for day! Oh. It's okay, it happened.
Oh!
Off my head!
Doc Rivers is slum
Whoop.
dog millionaire slumming.
Oh! That was a tough pass.
Uh-oh, here it is. Oh.
Oh no!
Oh.
Some of the athleticism of
Right.
these youngsters, though.
Ooh, step backs. Oh my gosh.
Range.
No way.
Range. Oh.
Grab it. Grab it.
Ah! Oh no! No! Oh crap. Oh my
Good
God.
hands. Oh my gosh, what's going on? No way. Grab it. Alright, thank you. Now it's time for us to turn.
Ah, no! Good defense.
Oh my gosh.
Take it back out.
Why is Tim Hardaway's dad so small?
Psych! No, boy, reverse layups.
Jeez. Never pick someone. Jeez. Thank you.
Dang.
Oh god.
Oh, the dad is matched up. Oh god. Oh god.
Good defense.
Okay.
Oh, they switched. God. Get him, Doc.
Cash has to be. Oh.
Oh.
No.
Let's go. Let's go.
It's okay. You know why? Because range. That's why.
Never count out the old guys. Let's
Curry,
go.
why are you? What are you
Oh
doing?
my gosh. Tim Hardaway is like just using his athleticism to just destroy right now. Oh god.
No, not you. Okay, that
He
works
still
too.
scores.
He's trying to get the tray though.
Ooh.
Come on, Dad.
Oh.
Oh.
Tough buckets.
Oh man. Austin Rivers, let's go. Can't strap me though. Ooh.
Good switch, father.
Switch this.
Come
Ow!
on.
Who was that on? I think that was on his dad too.
Now it's Tim Hardaway, the small one. Go.
Oh gosh. We'll go for a cut. Cut.
Oh!
Oh! Is that actually his dad? It has to be.
Nah, this is his dad. Oh, like dunking
Yeah.
on? Yeah.
Dang, his dad's short.
That's what I'm saying.
Dang. Curry getting swole. Cash. Oh. Yo!
Why are we double teaming?
I don't know, boy. Is it Stephen Curry? Oh, you have to dunk that. Ah!
Tough.
Good defense. Oh my god, really? Come on here, boy. You don't want it. Oh!
Oh, we can't get rebounds. These old men didn't rebound back in the day.
Nah! Buckets.
Oh. Ooh,
Good defense.
that's how you do
Son.
it. Oh man, that's how you do it. Oh man.
Alright.
It's Doc, boy. My man's Doc. LA Clipper Doc.
Come on, Curry's gonna get revenge on the man.
Oh god.
No easy buckets. Whoop. Reverse.
Oh, that's a block. Come off the screen.
Ah! Oh no! Ah,
There you go.
son, he's cooking. Alright. Come at me, bro.
Oh god.
And
There we go.
Ah! Oh god.
On his dad.
Oh!
And layup lines.
He almost banged it.
Oh.
Ah! No!
Ah.
Okay, just don't get dunked on by an old guy. That's all we care about.
Oh
Cash.
gosh.
Curry playing it with the D+. D's get degrees. Not really, guys.
Yeah, don't say that. I mean, don't believe that.
Yeah, don't believe that at all. Always get the best grades you can.
Like this shot, which is a B+,
Right.
which is a pretty good grade to have in school.
I bet I can get the A though. No, that won't be an A. I need to get an A shot. Bow! A++.
Yes, and that is a very
That
good
is the grade you guys want to get.
Let's go. Post work.
Ah!
Or
No. Everybody jump.
cash.
Like the song.
Tim Hardaway Jr. is cooking. Or Tim Hardaway.
Oh god.
Oh. Good contention. Grab it, somebody. There you go. Ooh. 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 Doc.
Oh. All right. You know what time it is? I didn't even try to go into the
Oh
screen.
god.
Oh god. Come here.
Uh-oh.
Let's get it. Buckets. A+.
Here you go.
Come on.
Oh!
Oh! Come on! Cash!
God.
Oh no, don't allow it! Oh. Ah!
No, make it. Make it. Good.
Alright, team. Ooh! Dunk it!
Ah.
Bless. Oh no. No, no, no. No twos!
Dell Curry. Dell missed the shot. No Curry.
This boy should be about that Mac life, not that Dell life.
That is true.
Someone come guard me. Actually, psych. It needs to be father versus son matchup. Has to be. Actually, Austin, you deserve it. Come here, Dot. Let's go, father.
Oh!
Ah! Oh.
Good. Wait. I was about to say not again. Oof. Reach in.
Oh, come on. I thought we were playing street ball.
God.
What are we in the league?
My man's hand. Oh.
Alright, come here, Doc. Psych!
Oh.
That would have been too easy. Oh! Bow! His dad's probably gonna cut him.
And he's like,
Look at him!
his dad's like, no.
He's like, son, please.
Oh.
Alright, stats.
Dang.
855. 922. Youngsters getting it done.
Right? New school beat the old school.
Yeah, right. Sports evolve. That's just how it is.
Right.
But we hope you enjoyed Friday, and
We are out.
right.